How to use forums to promote your blog. Having a blog is a great thing. You can promote your products and services and get a lot of attention for your business. You can promote your work, whether as a painter, photographer, or writer, and maybe even get a job related to the things that you love. Or you can simply express yourself and even update your relatives and friends on the goings-on in your life, which can be great if you live in a faraway place and cannot update your relatives and friends more than once. However, a blog can also be a good way for you to earn money, over and above mere expression and promotion. Thanks to a lot of different online money-earning methods, you can earn commissions when visitors go to your blog. For instance, you can put up advertisements on your site through an affiliate network or through an advertising program. If one of your visitors clicks on your ads, then you get commissions. The ads are tailored to fit the contents of your website, and they are made so that your visitors will most likely be interested in them and thereby click on them. Therefore, you need to have good website content, as this is what the ad companies need in order to know what kind of ads to place on your site. Moreover, the more visitors you have, the greater the chance that someone will click on your ads and that you will get commissions. This means that you need to invite more and more people to your blog, and not just to get money, but to get attention. After all, if your blog is interesting enough, you may get a lot of people linking to you. One way that you can promote your blog is through posting on forums. If you are interested in posting in forums and getting your voice heard, and if you want to get your blog noticed in the internet universe, then you may be interested in the following tips. Take note, however, that these are only a few tips to guide you on your way to blog superstardom, and you need to learn on your own along the way and pick up your own lessons too. Post in a forum that you are actually interested in. Believe it or not, the degree of your understanding of and interest in a topic in a forum will shine through your post. If people see that you are interested in the forum topic, then you may get more attention than people just reading your forum post. Post in a forum whose topic is related to your blogging topic. This can be critical when you are dealing with die-hard fans of a certain artist or film, because posting off-topic posts in a forum concentrated with users who have a single interest and aim can be distracting, not to mention grounds for kicking you out of the forum. Be dignified enough to spell right. Text shortcuts can make texts almost unreadable, and you can annoy a whole lot more people. If you make the effort to write in your blog, make an effort to write well on the forums, or you may find it harder to invite people to read your blog. Why should they read your blog when they can't even understand what you are posting on the forum? Extend help to other forum members when they need it. Remember, people do not care about what you have to say until they find out that you care about them first.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.